one, I've got cubicle made needles for knitting, and I absolutely love them. It's more handy, more interesting to knit with them. It's less slippery. This is the yarn and 2 strands, which I plan to do like something like a top, which goes like so, triangular shape. And this is, by the way, my new bra. It's transparent and it's got flowers, lacy decal. It's white, it's comfy. I hope you like it. And many of you love to see me knitting in the video. If you do, then you're welcome to watch me knit. So this is the yarn, and the beginning of something. I made up this pattern. It's very simple, very easy to do. If you want to, you'll be able to win this item that I'm knitting now, but you're welcome to subscribe first and hit the like button, and you get a chance to win this brand new top that I'm knitting in this wonderful red yarn. It's a summer top which I plan to do, so I'm going to wear it a couple of times and then send it to you, and hopefully you're going to love it and become my brand new fan. Why not? And support my channel as well. So I've done a couple of rows. One. I need to put the marker here, but I've forgotten to take it. Often I count when I knit. Thank you very much for watching all of my videos. Don't forget to watch my older content because it's equal fun videos as this one. And there's more to come soon. I'm going to be a bit more productive. Hopefully I'll be less ill than I used to be. So keep on watching and stay tuned. Love you. Bye.